Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So Cisco took the trip from New York to get the audio upgraded on his Street Glide. He attempted to do the install himself. He got pretty far with the install. He just couldn't get the bike to sound good. He used really good speakers, used Cicada CH speakers, but he didn't run a DSP. He did use a T-harness. The issue is when you're running any speaker with a horn, they're really loud, really aggressive, and they're really hard to tune. If you're not using a DSP, it's really hard to pull away the brightness on the horns if you don't have a DSP with good crossover slopes and a good EQ. So he just handed off to us to finish off the install. Plus he wanted to add 8-inch mid-bass drivers in the saddlebags. Went over the install, he used some aluminum wire. He did a pretty neat job of installing it, but using aluminum wire, we had to strip it out and start all over. So we used a new T-harness, added a DSP, ran all NVS Audio oxygen-free copper wiring. Then we were gonna upgrade his amp to a 1600.1. Once we pulled the fairing, we realized that we couldn't use the amps that he was running. He was running the Evo 4s. So if you're getting the gray sound digital amplifiers from eBay, just know that the Evo 4.0 and 5.0 are not the same as the Evo PS or the Evo X. They're cheaper amplifiers, they're cheaper components. They don't put out the same output as the American Evo X2s. So we definitely couldn't use the second one to run the 8s because it doesn't even give you 800 watts when bridged. We kept the first one to run the 4 speakers. We had a 1600.1 Evo X2. That way has the clip indicator and Dubiee bass knob in the front. And we didn't need a ton of power from the first amplifier because he's running CHs in the fairing and CHs in the lids. So those speakers scream with just a little bit amount of power. So it didn't matter that the Evo 4.0 that he was running didn't give you the full 800 watts because we didn't need it anyway. But the bike sounded phenomenal. Redid all the wiring, tuned it. He was happy, we're happy. Check out the build. Client came for a tune and for an upgrade. So he told me how to plug and play T-harness. It's a plug and play something, but it's not a T-harness. But okay, no problem, we can work with that. Line converter, we're gonna swap it out for a DSP. But my biggest issue is these are not made for the American market. These are the Brazilian amps. These are the Evo 4.0. These are the ones you buy on eBay. These are not supposed to be sold in the American market. So this bridge should be 1600 watts. It puts out, we measured it, it's putting out less than 800 watts with both amps combined. So you're getting a cheaper amplifier because you get half the power. Then on top of that, he used aluminum wire. So there's no chance these amps are even gonna do that much power. So we have aluminum wire we have to fix. I'm gonna pull this out, use a T-harness for DSP. I'm gonna mount the DSP here. We're gonna keep one, we're gonna upgrade the other one to a 1600.1 because we're about to do a set of 8s in the bags to get him some bass. He's got really good speakers, he got Cicada CHs, but without a DSP and without some real power, they're not playing very loud. But we got it, we're gonna fix it. Daniel, you gonna fix this one?
Yeah, I can fix it.
And take care of it?
Yes, sir.
Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't worry about me. 'Cause I'm about to let my heart speak. My friends keep telling me to leave this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like
Another one. That's right. Dominicans, Boricuas, hands up. On your feet. Everybody, come on.
No hay pa' nadie, padre. Y me fui con los bachateros.
Nasty.
Let me find out. Yo, dos locos viviendo una aventura castigada por Dios.
Los tachados en los puteros, flow gangster. Estilo caro, el cuello forrado en diamante. No sube en stories y para con cantante. Ey, rompe la calle y ve salir el sol. El culo grande pa' mí que juega voleibol. Es una piche, ranguea con la zona sol. Si le metes presión, ella le mete terror.
Que ella está en la de ella. Pídele otra botella, que eso es lo que quiere ella. Yo sé lo que quiere ella.
No la mires que ella está en la de ella. Pídele otra botella, que eso es lo que quiere ella.
Me tiene diciéndole amor, tratándolo tierno. No me gusta dormir con nadie, ahora sí no es con él.
Down, good lord, baby got 'em open all over town. Strictly bitch, you don't play around. Cover much grounds, got game by the pound. Getting paid is a forte.